I took a coding interview with an AI assistant. Insane results. By 2030, AI could automate up to 30% of global work hours. But what happens when you let AI jump into one of the most stressful human challenges, the coding interview? Today, I partnered with an AI assistant to tackle the pressure, the problems, and the panic. Buckle up, this got wild. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the AI Hustle channel. If you're new here, I explore tech trends, tools, and crazy experiments like today's. I wanted to see if an AI could help me crush a coding interview. These new tools promise to prep you better, faster, and smarter, but can they really deliver under pressure? Let's find out. Coding interviews are brutal. They test not just your coding ability, but your communication skills, your nerves, and your critical thinking. Remember those nightmare scenarios, blanking out mid-question, solving the wrong problem, or miscommunicating your solution? Yeah, me too. The biggest challenges most of us face are anxiety that messes with our logic, poor time management under ticking clocks, gaps between what we think we know and what we can actually deliver on the spot. I've bombed a few interviews myself because I didn't structure my thoughts properly or got stuck in syntax quicksand. So I thought, what if I had an AI coach whispering in my ear? Enter the AI assistant. The one I tried had 3 killer features. 1. Adaptive coding challenges. It served me problems based on my skill level, pushing me just a little past my comfort zone. 2. Mock interview mode. Simulated an actual interviewer scenario, including follow-up questions. 3. Real-time code feedback. Corrected logic errors and suggested optimizations without outright giving answers. First impressions. At first, it felt weird, like being coached by a super patient, non-judgmental professor. No sighs. No eye rolls. Just data-driven nudges. Bonus feature. It even tracked my typing patterns and flagged when I was hesitating too much, signaling areas where I lacked confidence. It wasn't just checking if the code ran, it cared how I approached the problem. That's where the magic happened. Alright, here's the turning point. During a practice session, I encountered a surprise from the AI. It presented a challenging problem: find longest increasing subsequence. Panic mode activated. My first instinct was to brute force it, but the AI gently nudged me. Think about overlapping sub-problems. Could a dynamic programming approach work better? At first, I was like, what? But it got me thinking. After a few minutes of hint-guided struggle, boom, I solved it with a clean O(n)² solution. The best part? I understood why it worked. No spoon feeding. Just subtle coaching to steer my brain toward the right mindset. Optional: quickly sketch the basic idea of dynamic programming for beginners watching. This wasn't just an AI tool, it became a training partner that made me think like an interviewer and an engineer. After a week with the AI, I noticed real changes. My coding speed improved because I didn't second-guess small syntax stuff. I structured my thoughts better during mock interviews. I handled trick questions without spiraling into panic. Was it perfect? No. Sometimes the AI's advice felt a little robotic. Like, optimize your approach, without offering the why. And there were moments where a real mentor's human touch, encouragement, jokes, real-world tips, would have made a big difference. But for solo practice? Honestly, it was a game changer. In short, using an AI assistant for coding interview prep won't replace hard work, but it supercharges your practice. It can catch your blind spots, push you just past your limits, and keep you from practicing bad habits. In the hands of someone serious about leveling up, it's insanely powerful. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried prepping with an AI? What's your biggest coding interview horror story, or success story? Drop it in the comments below. And if you want a full breakdown of the best AI tools for tech interviews, or tips to crush your next big coding test, check out these videos right here in my channel. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more tech and AI experiments, and I'll catch you in the next one.